Hello everyone, it's me Uncle John. Today I am going to read All About 6, Unit 9, Part B, page 81 to 82. I wish I hadn't done that. When Saturday last August, my friend Ashley called me. She asked me if I wanted it, go for a bike ride with her. It's a beautiful day, she said. We can go for a ride in the country. I told Ashley that I didn't have a bike, but my brother always lets me borrow his bike. I added, I'll ask him. My brother then was going to the park to play soccer with his friends. As he was leaving, I asked him if I could borrow his bike. No, you can, he answered. Sorry, then he ran off. I was really mad at him, so I took his bike anyway. Ashley arrived, and we rode out into the country. We were going very fast down a hill when I realized that there wasn't a problem with my bike. Help! I can't stop! I shouted. The bike came off the road and hit a fence. I fell off the bike and hurt my arm. When I got home, my dad asked me what had happened. I told him that I had had an accident. Then I said that I had borrowed Dan's bike. Dan's bike was broken, he said. That's why he said that you couldn't borrow it. Writing tip. Remember, when you write a story, you can use a mixture of a direct speech. 직접 합법, it's a beautiful day, she said, and reported speech. I told him that I would have had an accident. Activity to find the examples in Austin's story of direct speech, reported speech, reported questioned. Activity 3, think of something that you wish you hadn't done. Discuss it with the class. When did it happen? What'd you do? Why was it the wrong thing to do? Now write a story called I Wish I Hadn't Done That. Amazing nature. Number 1. Animal senses. Humans have 5 senses: sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. We use these senses every day of our lives when we work, play, eat, and drink. Animals have senses too, and sometimes they are much more powerful than ours. We have our food prepared for us, but animals need to find their own food using their senses. For example, predators often have very good sight. Some birds of prey can see a mouse at a distance of 1.5 kilometers. However, they don't always catch the mouse. Mice have amazingly good hearing. This helps them escape from predators. Insects sometimes have senses that are different from ours. For example, butterflies don't taste with their mouth. They taste with their feet. Crickets don't hear with their ears. They hear with their legs. Chameleons have 2 eyes, the same as we do, but they can move their eyes separately and look in 2 different directions at the same time. Some animals seem to have a special sense that tell them about the future. Birds, ants, and many other animals look for food more busily just before bad weather. This helps them survive because it's more difficult to find food when the weather is bad. They know that bad weather is coming. Birds also use this ability to avoid bad weather when they fly long distances. For centuries, people have noticed that animals often behave strangely before an earthquake. For example, in January 1975, a lot of farmers in one part of China told scientists that their horses and cattle didn't want to go inside their barn. A few days later, there was a large earthquake in that region. Do animals have a special sense that predicts earthquakes? The answer is probably yes, but scientists do not yet understand how it works. How are these animal senses different from ours? Complete the sentences with your own ideas. I wish, blah, blah, blah. If I, blah, blah, blah. The end.